Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve sums of exercise 5.3 of class 11th NCERT of chapter 5 complex numbers and quadratic equations. In the previous video we solved 5 questions and in this video we will solve question from 6 onwards. 6th and 6th onward. So in this 6th question we are given this equation x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. We have to solve this equation and we will apply the formula x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So first of all we will find the value of ABC. So comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what we get? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 2. So here x will become minus of minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 upon 2a, that will be 2 into 1. So x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 8 upon 2, which can be written as x equal to 1 plus minus under root minus 7 by 2, which can further be written as x equal to 1 plus minus under root 7 iota by 2. So this is the required answer we are getting. So this completes 6th question. Now similarly in the 7th question, here a is equal to under root 2, b is equal to 1 and c equal to under root 2. Again if we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, what we get? Coefficient of x square a equal to under root 2, coefficient of x b equal to 1 and constant term c is under root 2. So here again x will be minus b, that will be minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That will be x will be minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 into root 2 will be 8 upon 2 root 2. So x becomes minus 1 plus minus under root minus 7 by 2 root 2, which can further be written as x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 7 iota by 2 root 2. So this gives the value of x, which is again a complex number. Now look at the 8th question. Now in the 8th question, the equation is under root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. So here a is under root 3, b is minus root 2 and c is 3 root 3. So x will be minus b, that will be minus of minus root 2 plus minus b square minus root 2 square minus 4ac, that will be 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3 upon 2a, that will be 2 root 3. So this can be simplified as minus minus will be plus, x equal to root 2 plus minus under root minus 2 root square is 2 minus 4 into 3 is 12 and 12 root 3 will be 3, 12 into 3 36 upon 2 root 3. So that will be equal to x equal to root 2 plus minus under root minus 34 upon 2 root 3. So x will be equal to root 2 plus minus, this can be written as under root 34 iota by 2 root 3. So this is the required value of x. This completes 8th question. Now look at the 9th question. Here equation is x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1 by root 2. So x will be given by minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That can be written as x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by root 2 upon 2. So we have to simplify it. Now this can be written as x becomes minus 1 plus minus under root 2 minus 4 by root 2 upon 2. Or we can write it as minus 1 plus minus. We take out under root 2 common and 1 minus it 4 becomes 2 root 2 upon root 2 and upon 2. Root 2 cancels out. So this implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 2 root 2 by 2, which can further be written as x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 2 root 2 minus 1 iota by 2. 1 minus 2 root 2 is negative term. So we have changed the sign and in place of under root minus 1 we will put iota. So x will be minus 1 plus minus under root 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 iota. Then the last question, 10th. Here the equation is x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So here a is 1, b is 1 by root 2 and c is again 1. So x will be minus b plus minus b square, that will be 1 by root 2 whole square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x will become minus 1 by root 2 plus minus under root 1 by 2 minus 4 by 2. So this can further be written as minus 1 by root 2 plus minus under root 1 minus 8 by 2 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 7 by 2 root 2. This root 2 will come in the numerator. So the value of x becomes minus 1 plus minus under root 7 iota by 2 root 2. So this is the required value of x. So this completes the exercise and the last question of this exercise. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.